In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Google Calendar integration settings in ClickUp. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to ClickUp. Once the page loads, sign in to your account and wait for your workspace to fully open. Before moving on, make sure you're logging into the correct workspace or profile, especially if you manage more than one. That will help you avoid changing settings in the wrong place. After you're inside ClickUp, head to your target profile page. This is the area where your personal account options and preferences are managed. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the right profile section, since the next settings we're opening are tied to your individual account rather than a general workspace view. From there, navigate to My Settings. This section contains personal configuration options for your ClickUp account, including connected apps and other account-level preferences. Once you open My Settings, look for the Integrations area and select it. The Integrations page is where ClickUp organizes all of the external tools and services that can be linked to your account. When the Integrations section opens, you'll see a list or grid of app icons. These icons represent the different platforms available for connection. Carefully scan through the app icons until you find Google Calendar. Depending on your screen size or layout, the icons may appear in a block-style arrangement, so it can help to move slowly and look for the familiar Google Calendar branding. Once you locate Google Calendar, select it from the app icons list. This will take you into the Google Calendar integration area, where you can continue with any connection or configuration steps you need next. As a quick tip, if the page doesn't look exactly the same on your screen, it may be due to an updated ClickUp interface, browser zoom settings, or differences between account types. In that case, stay focused on the same path: your profile, then My Settings, then Integrations, and finally Google Calendar. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the Google Calendar integration section in ClickUp using Chrome. If you're following along as part of a larger setup process, you're now in the right place to continue.